Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from the BJTechNews. I'm over here looking at my audio, making sure that I'm getting good audio. You're probably hearing some crazy sounds in the background because I got the window open and I have my fish tank. So I'm starting this new playlist for you guys, and it's about Microsoft Virtual Labs. Yes, huge advantage for us IT guys, because if we don't have that kind of equipment to play around with iSCSI and SANS and NASs and Windows Server 2012 R2, if we don't have that capacity at our job or at home to do testing, why not use the virtual labs that Microsoft provide us? So today, and I got my notes, and this playlist is all about us learning together as one. So as you know, Windows Server 2012 includes many new storage features, which allows you to create new storage optimized file servers using a tiered storage. Storage tiers enables the creation of virtual disks comprised of two tiers of storage: an SSD tier for frequently accessed data and an HDD tier for less frequently accessed data. Now, in this lab, you will first create a new storage optimized file server using a tiered storage space and deduplication. Awesome. Next, you will create a 3-node scale out failover cluster, which is going to be later on, but we're going to get with how to create a tiered storage space and a dedupe. So I'm going to break these guys into little groups, hopefully less than 5 minutes, so you guys won't drive yourselves crazy. So now, what does this lab consist of? So I got a nice little chart right here that I want to show you guys, and Microsoft provides you with 5 machines. You got a DC, Server 1, Server 2, Server 3, and Admin. Now the DC 1 is your domain controller and also the iSCSI SAN. Server 1 and 2 are 1, 2, and 3 are actually file server cluster nodes, and your admin is a regular Windows 8.1 Pro machine with the RSAT, which is the Remote Services Administration Tools, that allows you to control and administer other servers using a basic workstation. Like, you know, it's Microsoft tries to put it in the kind of environment that we're going to deal with. Most likely you're not going to do half of the things that I'm going to show you guys during this little playlist series on the physical server. You're probably going to do it at your workstation, right? So as you can see, DC1 it contains a virtual iSCSI SAN to provide storage for the cluster nodes on a storage network. Server 1 is pre-configured as a cluster node with iSCSI storage. It contains 2 SMB network interfaces. Server 2 pre-configured as a cluster node with an iSCSI storage, and it contains again 2 SMB network interfaces. So server 1 and 2 is basically the same. Server 3 is a server that runs a SQL IO tool, contains 2 SMB network interfaces, and again, admin contains Windows 8.1 with the remote access tools that we need to get stuff up and running. So let's get started. The first part of this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to create a storage server. Actually, not server, storage space. So within our admin, I'm inside our local Windows 8.1 Pro. As you can see, I'm using their utilities and stuff. And I have Server Manager. And within Server Manager, I have all the servers that I connected to it locally. So basically, you right-click, add a new server. You locate it from your Active Directory, and you just add it into your Server Manager node. That's basically what they did, right? And then whatever tools and utilities that you need, you add them. Plain and simple. So I'm able to manage everything from my other servers within this machine. So that's pretty cool. It's just like the administrative tools that we used to install on our workstations to administer our Active Directory, our group policy managements, and all that good stuff. So again, I'm going to provide all these documentations at the bottom of the description as a link, so you guys can download it, check it out, notes, and all that good stuff. So first thing they tell you is open the Server Manager, which you already did. It wants you to navigate into File Storage Services, and from there we're going to click on Storage Pool. And now it's going to take a while. I say server discovery must complete before the area is populated with data. This may take a few minutes. So we're going to go up Okay, so it looks like it's already pre-populated. That's awesome. And then on the storage spaces, click the primordial. This one right here. We're gonna right click on that, and we're gonna do a new storage pool on this individual storage space. So we're gonna, you can read this. We're gonna hit next, and we're gonna give it a name. Now the name that they want you to give it, again, you can name it whatever you want, but I'm gonna follow the lab. Okay, we're gonna call it DAS tiered dash pool. Awesome. We're gonna click next. Again, I still got my notes, and I'm gonna hit. Okay, so this is all the physical disks for the storage pool. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 storage pools or physical disks. They're all 128, and they're all a SAS virtual disk, which is pretty cool. Acculation is all automatic, and the media type is actually SSD, which is a solid state drive. And from the instructions, they want you to check disk, physical disk 2 through 7. So we're gonna do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and we're gonna leave 8 for later on. Awesome. Us choosing all these gave us a capacity of 768 gigabytes. Once you complete that, we're gonna hit next. It gives you a nice little summary, and we're gonna create it. And then that's about it. And that's the first part, guys. That's how to create a storage space. And I'm gonna close that up. And as you can see underneath our storage space, we have one available. Awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this first part of creating a tiered storage space, as well as deduplication, which is also the dedupe is also part of the series. So stay tuned for the other rest. And if you have any comments, leave them right below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.